So what's the deal with sweet baby broccoli? Hey, it's John with ProduceGeek.com, and we love talking about fresh fruits and vegetables, what's in season. And today I'm talking sweet baby broccoli. This goes by many names. Sweet baby broccoli, Aspiration, Broccolini is a brand name one company owns, and also Broccolette. So those are some of the names that you'll find this product under, but it's all really the same thing. It's related to broccoli, but it's not the same. It doesn't grow a big head. It grows stalks with these little florets at the top, these flowers that are almost ready to open. You'll start to see a yellow flower emerging sometimes. It has a mild broccoli taste. The buds are fairly sweet. The stems need to cook to at least so you can get a fork into it. Doesn't have to be soft, but maybe al dente. This has really become a popular vegetable because the cooking time is quick and the prep, literally, you could just take the rubber band off the bunch. I could maybe trim a 1/4 inch off the ends and I can steam it. I could roast it. I could saute it or do some sort of combination of those things. It's really versatile side vegetable. So this was a bunch of sweet baby broccoli that I roasted at 450 degrees for 12 minutes. It was tossed in olive oil and dusted with salt and pepper before roasting. And I will try a bunch here to kind of describe it for you. The high heat of roasting really brought out a sweetness to the taste, especially with some of that olive oil. Great flavor, very mild, not a strong broccoli taste, but enough, a little bitterness underneath to keep it interesting. This is in season all year long, but some of the winter months when there's production down in Southern California and the Arizona desert areas is when you can get some of the best sweet baby broccoli of the year. I hope you get to try some. And for what's best right now, keep checking back with us. And if you find something you like, share fruits and vegetables with your friends.